before you push, you should rebase your code to the master, to the upstream master branch, and retest if nothing changed in the behavior of your feature. To be honest, like it's good to test even minor changes. It happened a lot during development that you did some minor change and the behavior changed in unexpected way. So it's good to test your changes before pushing upstream. Make sure that every source file has proper license notice. Make sure that all changes have been committed, because maybe someone will try to reproduce that, or simply if not all files are committed, Jenkins will quickly fail with building your changes and your patches will be rejected. Other thing is that Gerrit requires you to push to head refs for master instead of master. This is important because if you will try to push to master, then you will quickly get some error. You should check changes against some basic tests. The first one, what Jenkins does, is quite long, so maybe not every time you should run it. Maybe once, or maybe it's not needed at all. The lint stable, those are already running thanks to your Git hooks. Test basics will run some standard build test, but and all of course should pass. And there is test lint, and this runs some stable and extended lint tests. And to push your code, you just type git push origin head refs for master, and this should create Gerrit merge request or Gerrit ticket in which you can track your review, you can discuss your changes with community, and then community can kind of give you feedback about what you provide.